Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will install Visual Studio 2026. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it for more videos. So first of all, I will go to Google and here on I will write Visual Studio download. You can see we have a main page that is downloads Visual Studio and VS Code. So within it, we have the downloads page, and here we have three variants: community, professional and enterprise. These two are paid and this one is free, so we will go with community version. So the exe file is downloaded. I will install this one. It will use Visual Studio installer. Continue. Okay, so we have got a window in Visual Studio installer. It says to copy workloads from Visual Studio 2022, as I already have it. But for now, I will go with the manual version to see what we can download. So here we have workloads, and within it we have multiple options: Python, Node, ASP.NET. So I will go with ASP and web development, and from here I will choose download all option, and then we can click on install. So here download is in progress. So it is finally downloaded and installed. You can see it here. I can launch it. Okay, so we have Visual Studio 2026. What we can do, we can create a sample project. I will go with console app. Okay, project is created and we have the Visual Studio 2026. You can see everything is here. I can run this project. And here you go. It says hello world. So that's all from my side. Let's meet in the next video.